Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a gradient color background in Canva. So let's get started. Begin by signing into your Canva account and opening a new or existing design project where you want to create a gradient background. Now all you have to do is go for elements and search by typing gradient. Choose one and click to apply it to the background of your design. Now resize it and from here click on the color. You can change the gradient color from here. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.